What are some of the most famous songs and albums by the Chieftains? If you're curious about the music of the Chieftains, one of Ireland's most iconic traditional folk bands, you're in the right place. Let's explore some of their most famous songs and albums that have made them household names. The Chieftains were formed in Dublin in 1962 by Paddy Maloney, Son Potts, and Michael Tubridy. Their music is largely instrumental and centered around the Uilleann pipes, which has become a hallmark of traditional Irish music. One of their earliest and most notable albums is The Chieftains 4, released in 1973. This album includes a recording of Sean Áireada's composition Nana Harian, Women of Ireland, which caught the attention of Stanley Kubrick and was later used in his 1975 film Barry Lyndon. Another standout album is The Long Black Veil, released in 1995. This album features collaborations with big names like the Rolling Stones, Sting, Sinead O'Connor, and Van Morrison. It's known for tracks like The Rocky Road to Dublin and the title track itself. In 1996, the Chieftains released Santiago, an album that explores the Celtic heritage of Galicia. This album includes collaborations with Galician musicians Carlos Núñez and Kepa Junqueira, as well as Los Lobos, Ry Cooder, and Linda Ronstadt. San Patricio, released in 2010, tells the story of a battalion of Irish volunteers who fought in the Mexican-American War. This album features Ry Cooder, Lila Downs, and a narrative by Liam Neeson. For their 50th anniversary, the Chieftains released Voice of Ages in 2012. Produced by T-Bone Burnett, this album features a diverse range of musicians including Bon Iver, Paolo Nutini, and the Decemberists. It even includes a unique collaboration with NASA astronaut Catherine Coleman playing the flute aboard the International Space Station. The Chieftains have also had significant success with albums like Irish Heartbeat, a critically acclaimed collaboration with Van Morrison in 1988, and The Bells of Dublin, a Christmas album featuring Jackson Browne, Ricky Lee Jones, and Elvis Costello. Their ability to blend traditional Irish music with other genres has led to a wide range of albums, each offering something unique. For instance, The Year of the French in 1983 teamed them with the RTA Concert Orchestra, while Celtic Wedding in 1987 explored traditional Breton music. The Chieftains' discography is rich and varied, reflecting their dedication to preserving and promoting traditional Irish music, while also innovating and collaborating with artists from around the world. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering their music, there's something in their catalog that's sure to captivate you.